Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into SmartDeploy, the powerful deployment tool that makes managing Windows devices across your organization fast, efficient, and actually enjoyable. Whether you're an IT pro or just getting started with device imaging and deployment, this video will walk you through everything from setup to deployment. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of SmartDeploy. On the top corner, you have an option to log in using your credentials, but the better option is going to be click the download trial. Now, you can start your 15-day SmartDeploy trial by clicking the following button right here. You will be forwarded to a new page wherein before you can download the platform, you need to provide all the information needed. And then, after that, you need to choose if you're going to join an existing company or create a new one. I'm going to choose the second option. Now, at this point, loading times may vary, so you want to make sure that you are using an active internet connection. So once you've done that, just log in using your credentials. And then you should be able to access the SmartDeploy with no problem. And again, there's going to be an option here to click to download the SmartDeploy. I want you to click on it. Now, while downloading, you see that there's going to be three options on the left side panel of your dashboard. The Get Started button, your account, users, and of course the licenses. Okay, so for now, we don't have any thing here. So we're going to check the download file if it's successful. Now, once you have downloaded the file application, all you have to do at this point is to click the install button and just follow the on-screen instructions, all right? Now, it'll take a little while. Wait for it. And at this point, you want to make sure that you are not using an antivirus or a VPN because that could interfere with the installation, right? Because after the installation, it will simplify the process of deploying operating system, applications, and drivers to computers across an organization. SmartDeploy is basically one of the best in terms of the IT management and deployment tool. Now, and then after that, there's going to be a pop-up window for the Windows Kit's privacy. Now, I suggest you just click on next and just follow the on-screen instructions right here. Okay, as you can see, it takes a little while. It's a little bit complicated. Want to make sure that you have admin privileges if you're installing this to your organization's devices or computers. Now, once you have successfully installed the application, you need to log in using your credentials. So if you have the online information, you might want to copy that for the email and password that you have used to create the SmartDeploy account. Now, once you have that covered, click the Yes Now button here, and you have multiple options on the left side panel, which we're going to explore. Now, the activities is here to view and monitor real-time tasks. You have the Add Devices section, wherein you can generate client installer if you want it, or install a client. Okay, you have the option to re-image devices. You can build a virtual machine, capture image, download the platform facts, and create answer file or create media. If you do, you will be forwarded here. All right, it'll load up a new window wherein you just have to wait for it. There's going to be a pop-up window wherein you can build boot media or create offline deployment media depending on your preferences. If you do, you can select a task, boot media, offline deployment media, WS boot media, or deployment package. It's all up to depending on your goal and preferences. Let's cancel that for now. We're going to go to the computer management. Now, for the computer management, this is where you can manage devices in your environment. It displays a list of computers known to SmartDeploy. From here, you can assign deployment packages, update drivers or pending deletions, and perform remote operations for your organization. You have the manufacturer, model, connection type, user state, command, and client. Okay, so for the software management, this is where you can manage third-party software developments, and of course it lets you deploy, update or remove software applications. You can package software for silent installations and push it to target devices. Now, the next is going to be the patch management, where it keeps systems updated and secure, because these allows you to manage Windows updates and third-party patches, ensuring machines are compliant with update policies. The reference management handles image for creation, so it tracks virtual machines for desired settings before the capture. The images manage the OS images. All right, so if you want to capture an image or import an image, we can do that. Let's say we need a file here, and of course the platform packs is the section where you can handle the drivers for specific hardware. You have file name, uploaded to, and a lot more, because these are going to be included in the device drivers tailored for different computer models. It's automatically matched during deployment. The applications and tasks customizes the deployment with tasks and apps. You can define post-deployment actions like pack install or script executions, and it will be sequenced and applied dynamically. The answer files automate the Windows setup. The XML files that answer prompts during Windows installations and eliminates manual input and ensures consistency. The deployment packages bundles everything needed for deployment. For example, it combines image, answer file, platform packs, and optional applications which can be used for offline or USB network-based deployments. The reports analyzes the deployment data. You have the operating system, Windows 10 release IDs, and top 10 software assets. All the while, the tool can access utilities and extras, which includes Media Wizard for creating USBs and Image Deployment Wizard. It's useful for image creation, configuration, and management tasks. All right, and of course, the settings is an option for you to configure, like server configuration, authentication, and update preferences, and email notifications. And with that being said, again, if you're already immersed and familiarized with the platform of SmartDeploy, since you are logged into the cloud account, you would notice that you have now the option to schedule a demo or request a code. If you feel that SmartDeploy can answer your business needs so that they can offer a tailored fit solutions. You see there's going to be a licenses option. You can add a license or contact licensing. All right. If you click on it, you'll be forwarded to a new page. And with that being said, that's a wrap on our walkthrough on using SmartDeploy. Whether you're rolling out images, managing devices remotely, or streamlining IT tasks, SmartDeploy really stands out with its simplicity, power, and cloud-first approach. So if you're part of an IT team looking to save time, reduce errors, and scale deployment efficiently, SmartDeploy is absolutely worth considering. Its intuitive interface and solid documentation make it a smart choice, especially for small to mid-sized organizations. So, let us know in the comments what's your experience with SmartDeploy has been like, or if you're trying to use it for the first time. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on more tech tutorials coming your way. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.